Hello friends, welcome to Vegetarian Rocks. Today I'm here with again a very good and healthy recipe which is without eggs, and I'm making today is a bread which is from almond flour, which is without egg, and it's very good in flavor because I'm using onion and garlic salt, Italian seasoning into it, and it's the good way to eat more protein in the form of bread so that you can't crave for the carbohydrates bread also. So here are my ingredients. Here is regular Italian seasoning and garlic salt. These are some chopped onions, it's almond flour, and 1 cup of curd. This curd is at room temperature. So friends, mix all these ingredients in this bowl. I'm using super fine almond flour which says 7 gram proteins per serving. And so I mixed all these ingredients and just mix it. So as you can see, I mix it very well. The basic formula is 1 cup of curd and 1 cup of almond. The cup of curd is equal to the cup of almond flour because this will act as an activator. Curd is act as an activator, and there's no need of egg. Now I will add the seasoning and pour it into the greased container. So friends, it's ready to put it into the microwave. So I just put this mixture into the microwave for 3 minutes, and then I'll check if it is not done. Then I'll put it for more 2 minutes. So let's get started. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for just 3 minutes. So make sure that the curd is at room temperature. Don't use the curd directly from the fridge. With the knife, not come very clear. I think it's not done yet. I'm going to put it for 2 more minutes or 1.5 minutes more. So friend, my bread is ready in 5 minutes. So hope you like this video and this recipe also. You can enjoy this bread with any kind of dip you like pasta basil or pasta sauce and any kind of ketchup, and the aroma is so good. It's like in garlic bread. And hope you like this, and please feel free to ask any questions in my comment. Okay, bye bye.